In this video, I'm going to show you how to open Chrome in a new window in just a couple of easy ways. This is a super simple Chrome tip, but it can save time if you want to separate tabs, organize your browsing, or open a completely fresh browser window without closing anything you already have open. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick and useful software tips. Let's jump right in. The fastest way to open a new Chrome window is with a keyboard shortcut. If you're using Windows or a Chromebook, simply press Ctrl+N on your keyboard. If you're on a Mac, press Command+N. As soon as you do that, Chrome will open a brand new window, ready for you to use right away. This is the quickest method if you want to work faster and avoid using the mouse. Now, if you prefer using the menu, there's also an easy way to do it from inside Chrome itself. Look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three dots menu. This opens the main Chrome menu with all your browser options. From there, find and click New Window. Chrome will instantly open another separate window for you. This is especially helpful if you're not sure about keyboard shortcuts or if you just prefer clicking through the menu. Once the new window opens, you can use it independently from your other browser window. You can sign into a different account, keep one window for work and another for personal use, or simply separate different tasks so your browsing stays more organized. And that's really all there is to it. Opening Chrome in a new window only takes a second once you know the shortcut or where to find the menu option. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.